Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with the 1.25 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 54 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of 7, so ideal for new drivers, and this is a 4-owner vehicle, having covered just over 39,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the Shadow Black and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you have a nice clean interior. The fabric on the seats there is in really good condition, and there's 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, the first owner chose the £400 satellite navigation factory option, so that's quite a rare feature on the Zetec. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has DAB radio, Bluetooth for your phone, air conditioning, and Ford's quick clear windscreen, so that's frost on a frosty morning. And on the driver's door card you have your electric mirror and front window controls. Being the 5-door version of the Fiesta, the car's nice and practical, so you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back for a small hatchback. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own cup holder there in the centre as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there with these rear seats that can be split and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, LED daytime running lights, and the 15-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you would like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.